Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to send a sticker from Emojis on Telegram using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To start, open Telegram on your PC and ensure you are logged in to your account. This will allow you to access your chats and contacts seamlessly. Next, open the chat where you wish to send the sticker. Whether it's a group chat or a private conversation, navigate to the desired chat window. Locate the Emojis icon within the chat interface. It is typically represented by a smiley face or a similar symbol. Click on the Emojis icon to reveal a variety of emojis and stickers. Now, scroll through the emojis and stickers to find one that is similar to the sticker you want to send. Look for an emoji that closely resembles the sticker you have in mind. Once you've found the suitable emoji, click on it. This action will prompt Telegram to suggest a sticker that matches the emoji you selected. Wait for the sticker suggestion to appear based on the emoji you chose. Telegram will provide you with relevant sticker options that correspond to the emoji you clicked on. Finally, click on the suggested sticker to send it in the chat. The sticker will be sent to the recipient or group, adding a fun and expressive element to your conversation. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been informative in guiding you on how to send a sticker from Emojis on Telegram on your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Telegram experience.